too. And I'm a boss at killing people. And I like to play soccer.
Oh, my name is Anthony. Woo! My favorite game is Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3. Oh yeah. I'm a boss at killing people. And I like to play football, soccer, and basketball.
And I like Dick. And only thing I'm good at is Jonathan like Dick, and one time I saw Jonathan suck big cock.
Hey, Caesar, and apparently I'm the co-host of this channel. My favorite game is actually Skyrim, which apparently the other neighbors don't like. I don't know why. They like something called Big Bang. It's really weird.
Skyrim.
Don't check it out. Unlike it on YouTube or something. Anyways, what I like to do is now what they've been saying for the past couple seconds, I actually like to play video games. That's why I made this channel. And play with this little kid named Wanda.
I like to suck dick.
And also I like spending time with my girlfriend. The only reason I'm saying this is because she's giving me weird looks behind the camera. But anyways, yeah, so have fun on this channel.
And I like Mortal Kombat. And I'm good with my hands, you know what I mean, you know.
Masturbator.
Something I like to do is work with my hands. That's it.